Good day everyone. So our topic for today is all about function notation. Ano? So, na-discuss na natin yung ibig sabihin ng function, ano? So functions are usually expressed in equation form, ano? The equation form of a function is written in a special notation. So we have here in the figure below the letter F, ano, is used to name the function. The input is represented by x and the output by f of x. The special notation f of x read as f of x or f at x represents the value of the function at x. Functions in the form of notation use f of x notation. For example, f of x is equals to 4x plus 25 describes the function f that takes an input x which is multiplied by 4 then add by 25. So we have here an example. So evaluate f of 5 in the function in the function 4x plus 25. Okay, so what we're going to do is just kung ano yung ipinapa-evaluate dito, kung ano yung nasa loob dyan sa parenthesis, so sa-substitute lang natin sa values ni x or sa x, sa x na variable, sa ating function. So ito na 5 isa-substitute lang natin dito sa x. Okay, so given the function f of x is equals to 4x plus 25. So since yung ipinapa-evaluate natin is f of 5, so yung f of 5, yung 5 magiging 4 times 5 na siya, hindi na siya 4 times x kasi pinalitan na natin yung 5 dito sa x, okay, plus 25. So to simplify, so ito muna yung simplify natin, 20, 4 times 5 is 20, okay? So copy lang natin yung 25 kasi hindi naman natin yung pinakailaman kanina, then simplify ito, so 20 plus 25 is equals to 45. How about example number 2? F of 0, evaluate the f of 0, f of negative 2, f of a plus 1 defined by f of x, 3x squared minus x plus 6, So we have here the function f of x, 3x squared minus x plus 6, So kung ito yung pinapa-solve, pinapa-evaluate, so yung 0, so substitute lang natin sa x, substitute lang natin sa x, okay? And then magiging ganito na yung itsura niya, So yung 3 times 0 kasi pinalitan yan, pinalitan yung 0 o pinalitan yung x 0, copy yung exponent minus yung x magiging 0 na, so substitute natin yung 0 ng 0 plus 6, okay? So 0 times 0 is equals to 0 times 3 is 0, and then copy yung 0, copy yung 6, and then to simplify, 0 minus 0 plus 6 is equals to 6, okay? And then what else? Letter B, f of negative 2. So, yung negative 2, substitute natin dito sa x. Negative 2, substitute natin dito sa x. Okay. So, pinalitan yung x, naging 3 times negative 2 squared minus, lagyan natin ng close parenthesis kasi negative 2, tapos sinusundan siya ng minus, So, mag-iiba yung operation, which is negative times negative is equals to positive, Kaya, nilagyan natin siya ng close parenthesis. Then, copy yung 6. Okay, so to simplify, ito muna na may exponent. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Copy, simplify the negative 2. So, negative times negative is magiging positive and then 2. Okay? Plus, copy yung x. 6 na yan. 6. And then, simplify first the 3 times 4 which is 12 and 2 plus 6 is 8, and then so f of negative 2 is equals to 12 plus 8 is equals to 20, so the result is 20. How about letter C? Letter C, evaluate the f of a plus 1, ito. So, given the equation, so substitute mo lang ito dito sa x, substitute mo lang ito dito din sa x, kaya naging 3 times a plus 1 squared minus, substitute mo yung a plus 1 sa x minus a plus 1, plus 6. So, close and open parenthesis din kasi minus ito. So, mag-iiba yung laman nito. Okay? Mag-iiba yung sign kasi minus. Next, simplify. So, a plus 1 squared is equals to, di ba? Yung pag-simplify ng a plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 1. So, a squared plus a plus a plus 1. So, to simplify, magiging a squared plus 2. A plus a is 2a plus 1. 1. Kaya, naging ganito. So, yan yung pag-multiply ng a plus 1 times a plus 1. And then, times 3. So, copy mo lang muna yung 3. And then, simplify lang muna ito. So, negative times a is negative a. Negative times positive 1 is negative 1. So, copy lang natin yung 6. Next, simplify natin yung 3 times ito. Yan. So, magiging 3 times a squared plus 3 times 2a is 6a. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? Minus a. Kasi wala naman siyang isi-simplify. And then, isimplify natin yung negative 1 plus 6 kasi sila yung common term. So, magiging negative 1 plus 6 is positive 5. Positive 5 kasi una, magkaiba yung sign. Diba? Negative, tapos positive. So, magsusubtract tayo and then copy yung sign sa pinakamataas or pinakamalaking number. Okay? So, simplify. Okay? So, combined like terms. So, since ang 3a squared is walang kaparehong term dito, so, copy lang. So, 6a, may kaparehong term. Si 6a dito kay a. So, 6a minus a is 5a. So, parang yung a dyan is parang may 1, diba? So, kung 6 minus 1 is magiging 5. So, copy mo yung variable. And then, yung whole number, 3 plus 5 is naging 8. So, we have here another example for operations on functions. So, let f of x is equals to 3x squared and g of x is equals to x squared plus 2. So, yung f of x natin is equals to 3x squared. Yung g of x is equals to x squared plus 2. Okay? Now, so we have here number 1. So, evaluate the f plus g of x. Okay? So, what we're going to do is to ito f of x plus g f plus g of x. So, yung gagawin natin, ihiwalay natin yung f of x plus the g of x. Okay? So, magiging f of x plus g of x. So, substitute lang natin yung value ni f of x, ito. Substitute yung value ni g of x is ito. Okay? So, i-add lang natin. So, to simplify, so, x squared plus 3x squared plus x is, di ba may 1 yung x squared? Kaya naging 4x plus, copy mo lang yung 2. So, ito na yung result. So, yun lang natin. How about kung instead of variable, meron na siyang number. So, f plus g of 1/2. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? So, magiging ito, so, substitute lang natin. So, magiging, 4x squared plus 2, substitute lang natin yung 1/2. Okay? So, yung f plus g of x is ito na. So, kung yung x pinalitan ng 1/2, so, papalitan lang din natin to na, yung x dito ng 1/2. So, magiging 4 times 1/2 squared plus 2. Copy yung 2. So, simplify. 1/2 squared is 1/4. Okay? So, kaya naging 1/4 kay in-squared. Tapos, simplify yung 4 and 1/4. So, 4 times 1 is 4. Divide 4. is how much? 1. Ano? Kaya naging 1. Copy yung 2 dito. Is equals to 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Okay? Again, another example. F minus G is equals to X. Ano? F minus G is equals to X. So, isosolve mo muna yung F of X minus G of X is equals to, substitute mo lang yung value ni F of X, which is 3x squared, and yung G of X, so minus the close and open parenthesis, x squared plus 2. So, to simplify, so 3x squared minus x squared, so may 1 dyan. So, ang 3 minus 2, kaya naging 2x squared. Copy mo lang yung x squared minus 2, kasi negative times positive 2 is negative 2. Kaya naging 2x squared minus 2. No? How about if we're going to evaluate the f minus g of 1/2 or at 1/2, ano? So, meron na tayong equation dito, no? And then, isosolve lang natin, no? Substitute lang natin yung 1/2 dito sa 2x squared minus 2. So, magiging 2 times 1/2 raised to 2 minus 2 is equals to, simplify, so 2 raised to 2 times 1 over 4. So, 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. Okay? Times 2, kaya naging ilan? So, 2 times 1/4 is magiging 2 over 4. Minus, copy mo lang yung 2. And then, so, get the LCD. Ano kasi, 2 over 2 minus 4. So, pwede pa siyang masimplify. Magiging 1/2 and then get the LCD. Okay? So, yung LCD niya is 2. So, 2 times 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1 sa taas times 1 is 1. Okay? And then, wait lang, din laki. 1 minus 2 times negative 2 is 4. Kaya minus 4. So, simplify. Ito, simplify. 1 minus 4 is negative 3 over. Copy mo lang yung 2. Okay? Number 3. Number 3. So, f times g of x. Okay? So, we have here, so, ano yung, wait lang. Substitute mo lang yung f of x dito times g of x, ano, is equals to 3x raised to 4. Ano, kasi ito, so 3 times x squared times x squared is 3x raised to 4. So, di ba yung rule ng multiplying the exponent, so, sa variable, so magiging add lang to, na 2 plus 2. No? Copy yung variable x and then 2 plus 2 is magiging 4. And then, 3x squared times 2. Ano? Times 2. So, magiging 3x squared plus times 2 is magiging 6x squared. Okay? So, the answer is 3x raised to 4 plus 6x squared. How about letter B? Number 3, letter B. Ito. So, substitute na. So, what if yung values ni x is maging 1/2 na? So, substitute lang natin dito sa result na kanina. So, magiging 3 times, substitute natin sa x, 1/2 raised to 4, copy yung 4, plus, so 6 times, ito 6 times, so yung x, lalagyan natin dyan ng 1/2, ano, 1/2, okay, and then, copy yung squared. So, to simplify, magiging 3 times 1 over 16 plus 6 times 1 over 4 kasi 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So, to simplify, magiging ito, simplify natin ito, magiging 3 over 16. Ito, simplify natin 6 times 1 over 4. So, 6 over 4. And then, what else? So, ito, pwede pa siyang masimplify, which is 3 over 2. So, divide both side ito na 6 over 4, divide by 2. So, 6 times, 6 divide 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Kaya naging 3 over 2. So, copy lang natin yung 3 over 16. Plus, yung nasimplify natin na 6 over 4. Kaya naging 3 over 2. Okay? So, get the LCD of 16 and 2, which is 16. Ano? So, hanap ka ng LCD, yung number na pwedeng makadivide sa 16, both 16 and 2. So, 16 divided by 16 is 1 times 3 is 3. Okay? Kaya naging 3. Plus 16 divided by 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. Okay? So, to simplify, so 3 plus 24 is equals to 27 over 16. Copy mo lang yung 16. How about number 4? So, sa number 4, f divided by g of x. So, substitute lang natin yung mga functions ni f of x and then g of x. So, magiging, wait lang. Okay. So, ito na, no? So, ito na 3 of x, o 3x squared and x squared plus 2. Ano, simplify lang natin through division. So, since it is equal to 1/2, ano, so substitute lang natin yung 1/2. No? So, ito na yung gagamitin natin na function. Kasi ito, hindi na siya masisimplify. Ano, wala nang makakancel. So, ito na yung answer na substitute natin ng 1/2. Okay? So, yung x dyan, substitute natin ng 1/2. Magiging 3 times 1/2 squared. Ano? Tapos yung x squared dito, plus 2. Substitute natin yung x ng 1/2. Magiging 1/2 squared plus 2. Okay? And then, to simplify, so 3 times 1/2 squared is 3 and 1/4. And then, here naman, substitute yung 1/2 naging, so to simplify, 1/2 times 1/2 is naging 1/4, copy yung 2. Okay? So, ito naman, simplify, magiging 3 times 1 is 3, copy yung 4. Ito naman, get the LCD, which is 4. Ano? 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 1 is 1. Tapos, plus 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? So, to simplify, copy mo lang muna to sa numerator and then simplify natin yung denominator. So, 1 plus 8 is equals to 9 over 4. Copy mo lang yung 4. And then, so since dito, diba, 3 over 4 over or divide 9 over 4. So, kung i-change natin to multiplication, diba? So, 3 over 4, kung i-change natin yung division to multiplication para mas madali nating masimplify. So, babalik ta rin lang natin yung 9 over 4, which is magiging 4 over 9. Tapos, yung operation niya is magiging multiplication na. So, pwedeng makancel. Ito na, nakancel na siya. And then, yung natitira is naging 3 over 9. Ano? So, yung 3 over 9 is pwede pa siyang masimplify. So, hanggat pwede pa siyang masimplify, simplify natin yung sagot. Okay. So, pwede natin itong i-divide by 3. 3 over 3. Okay? So, magiging 1 over 3. How about number 5? The composition of functions. So, we have here f circle g of x. Ano? F circle g of x.